You're confused. I'm confused. What's that TikTok? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be bringing you my spring favorites. Just a few things that I've been loving and using daily recently, and also things that are going to be perfect to get you through the spring season. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I make new videos every week on all things beauty, so I would love it if you stayed and subscribed, and also liked the video if you loved it. So if you'd like to see my spring favorites, then let's jump on in. Quickly, I want to mention, if you want to see how I did this hair and makeup, it's in the previous video. It's titled Get Ready With Me. So I used my Dyson Airwrap, and it took me less than 30 minutes. Just did a cute natural glam. I kind of hated how it came out, but the eyes and lips brought it together for me, and the hair covers the face issues that I didn't like. So let's get started on our spring favorites. I wanted to keep this down to just 5 because I could talk forever on every beauty product that I use: skincare, body care, fragrance, makeup, tools, everything. But I want to just give you my top 5, quick and to the point. So my first one's gonna be my fragrance of the month. I told you guys in the last video how excited I was for this. My husband has no idea what I'm talking about. Can you guys relate? Like, do you have a significant other that literally acts like you live in 2 different universes, and you know they have no idea what you're doing? Like, he's out of town right now, and I was trying to surprise him because I changed my hair color. It's a long story, by the way, and he just like missed it, so that's fine. Back to the perfume of the month. I told you guys I was super excited about this one. So this is the Dossier Floral Marshmallow. Comes with a cute fragrance card. I have to show you my fragrance I've been loving every single month. This new one, you're gonna be blown away. Guess what dupe this is for? $29. It's normally over $200. Guess what dupe this is for? This is the Kilian Love Don't Be Shy perfume. So if you don't want to go spend $200 on it, spend $29 plus coupon codes at Dossier. Smells exactly like the same thing. Trust me, because I have it. I have the little travel size one. This has been selling out like crazy on TikTok because it's known to be Rihanna's favorite fragrance. Of course, she's the queen of everything, so everyone has been buying the Kilian perfume, but it is on the pricier side. And it might not be something you want to wear every day or something you want to layer together. So this one is amazing. For me, I love Dossier fragrances because they're all made in France, clean ingredients, not putting any toxic chemicals on your body, and it smells exactly like the same thing. For me, it lasts longer because of the oil concentration. It shows you on your little fragrance card you get when you buy it. This one is 18% concentrated, and for me, it just lasts a lot longer on my skin. I like layering lotions and then my fragrance, and I tend to mix fragrances so I can kind of create a custom scent so you don't smell like everybody else, you know. It's like, who wants to do that? I'm obsessed with Dossier because it's affordable, but it smells like the real thing. It's always free returns. They're always adding new ones to the website. Like, I've been blown away by their choices recently. I have probably like 30 of these, and my collection keeps growing every month. If you could only see my bathroom shelf. I'll have my coupon code down below for you, but I don't make anything off of it. It's just to help you. It's 10% off, and then if you actually go to their website, the more you buy, the more you save. So I think it's like buy 3, get like 33% off, something like that. So you can stack my discount code most of the time on top of theirs, and it's incredible. You guys always leave me comments and send me DMs of how obsessed you are with Dossier. They're such an amazing company. Thank you to them for partnering with me so I can bring you guys my perfume of the month every month, and I thought that this Kilian one would just absolutely be perfect for spring. So while we're on the topic, since I mentioned spring, I have told you guys about this. This is my second bottle, by the way. I also have a travel size one. I've been telling you guys about this for probably over a year now. Yeah, I think it's been about a year. So this is a Milk Hydro Grip Set Refresh and Spray. This setting spray is probably my top setting spray I've ever used in my entire life. I used to not really be into setting sprays. No, let me tell you something. I tell you this story all the time of how I discovered this. I was in Miami, you know, full face of makeup, strip lash. It's humid out there. It was very hot, emotional breakdown, bawling my eyes out for like 20-30 minutes. Who knows how long I was crying for, but literally cried forever. Go back to the hotel. Only thing off was my strip lash. My makeup was flawless. This is literally waterproof. Swim in this. Go to the amusement park. Go to the water park. Go to the beach. I don't know what you want to do in this, but do everything in this. This is the best. You're going to need this for spring, especially when it starts to get hot. It's going to keep your makeup in place. They should really sponsor me because I promote this like no other. Like, I can't tell you how amazing this is, but always make sure you shake it. So yeah, I have the full size, the travel size. It's just great. Look, even just to touch up, it makes you look refreshed. It keeps everything in place. This is life-changing. Get it. So worth it. Now, guys, Do not hate me for this next one. Don't hate me. Just don't do it, okay? Listen, Sephora's Beauty Insider is coming up, right? I believe April. I think this will be on the sale for 20% if you're Rouge. Don't hate me. I'm sorry. It's the Dyson. But, like, look at my hair. Like, can you blame me? This took me less than 20 minutes. I never do my hair. Never. Since I got this, I do my hair all the time. Now, listen. I'm very OCD. So, this attachment being pink and gray and this being navy and gold, it bothers me. But let me tell you why. Let me explain the whole thing to you. So I got the Dyson Airwrap at the Sephora sale in November. Couldn't be happier. It was very expensive. I don't know why I had to have the navy and gold one. It's the most expensive. It was just my vibe. That's just me. I'm sorry. I have expensive taste, okay? So I got this one. I was like, oh, this is going to be impossible to use. I thought for sure I was going to return it. I thought I would never, ever use it. No. The first week I got it, I did my hair more than I have done in the past 3 years myself. If you know me, you know it's bun life. And whenever I have to go somewhere, like my friend would do my hair for me. No. I've been doing my own hair. Look at this. She's like natural, straight, smooth, curly. Best product ever. The first time I ever used it, I figured it out instantly. It makes my blowouts amazing. I can have my hair straight and smooth. It doesn't damage your hair. It has all these amazing attachments. Okay, it comes with this case. Look at this, guys. I just got this embossed last night so I could show you guys. If you have a Dyson store by you, they will put your initials, hearts, whatever you want on here. They have different colors. They'll put your initials on the box for you. Like, now I feel better about spending $600 on a hair tool. You know what I mean? Especially since I never did my hair. My sister sent me this TikTok about this girl ranting and saying, like, buying a Dyson Airwrap is not going to make you do your hair. You're going to wear it in a bun every day. And I personally felt attacked. But I feel proud of myself because, you know, I did my own hair. And it also comes with a velvet bag. It comes with all the attachments. But what I wanted to show you was this new attachment. So the reason this doesn't match or go with it, this didn't come with it. I bought this at Sephora. I'll link it. I want to say it was like $35. It's been sold out like crazy because of TikTok. The navy and gold is limited edition. They don't make it anymore. They only make this is like the original one, the pink and gray, and then they make this in the purple and gray as well. I don't know why I chose this one instead of the purple one. The purple one probably would have looked like it went better. Anyways, it bothers me that it doesn't match, but that's besides the point. So this is called a 0.8 long burl. But I had to get this because it's supposed to make your curls tighter and be better for longer hair. Because if you don't do the Dyson with your hair wet, like I did this on dry hair today, so it just kind of gives it like a smooth, nice wave. But if you don't, the curls don't last on dry hair as much as damp hair because you're supposed to do it like after you wash your hair. So this is better at keeping a tighter curl, keeping it curled longer, and just fitting more hair on the barrel. So I'm personally obsessed. Take it from me, if I do my hair with this, if it's easy for me, like let me tell you something, okay? It's not that I'm not good at doing hair because I've done hair my whole life. Like I'm good at doing hair. I don't have the patience to do it on myself because I have so much hair, long hair, it's wavy, it's frizzy, it's puffy, it's annoying. But if I can do my hair for someone that has no patience in less than 30 minutes and have it look nice, like look, I don't know if you can see the back. Yeah, you can see it, right? It just makes you look so chic, put together. You can still do curls on top of it if you want. Just trust me, it's life-changing, you need it. So try to get it at the Sephora sale if it's on sale. Sometimes they don't include the Dysons. I know they do with the November one, but just get it, just try it. It's amazing, really, it's truly amazing. Okay, my next products are tools. They're a little dirty, so don't judge, okay? But let's talk about this. This is the Fenty Beauty Sponge. This is not an ordinary sponge. This is not comparable to Beauty Blender. This is in its own lane per usual. Rihanna did it again. Thank you so much. So this basically has the egg side. It has a flat top and it has a flat side. You can do your entire face with this. Look at this. She had concealer and setting powder on this side. She had blush here and then she had contour here. I can't explain what it is. Whatever this material is, whatever. The fact that it's beige too, by the way, but let's not talk about that. Let me tell you something. When you blend out your concealer, you're still always gonna have that hard edge, right? Because you're doing a full coverage concealer. So you end up just pouncing with a regular beauty blender or brush until it's blended, but then you take away the coverage and there's still gonna be harsh lines on the edges. Just using this flat side going boop, 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 like that, literally, there's never a hard edge on my concealer. The coverage always stays. It's always blended perfectly. And the fact that this has so many different shapes, I can clean up under my blush. I can, like I showed you, contour, like cream contour, cream blush, concealer, setting powder. This can be for under little precise motions. Like this is, they better make this still. Like I need 12 more of these. This is my only one right now, and she's a little like well loved. So I'm gonna have to double check and make sure I get like 10 or 12 or 20. I don't know. Like this is just, you need this. If you've never tried this, you need it. If you have it, buy the backup. Like I don't know what else to tell you, but everyone needs this. No matter how natural, how glam you do your makeup, like you need this. Listen, out of everything in this haul, like I'm only giving you 5 because it's one of those things where it's so good, like you have to buy everything. Like, sorry, I don't mean to take your money from you, but like I'm not getting the money. I'm just telling you, like, this is bomb. Spend your money. Okay, so I have 2 left. So the next one's a Tool. This is by e.l.f. This is their foundation brush. It's dual-ended. This is the best foundation brush. This is amazing. Like the sponge, amazing to blend, right? Putting on a foundation, I have used this every single time since I've gotten it. This was from the holiday kit, but they do make it in black. I've also seen people rave about this on TikTok. Like, I can't tell you why this is amazing. It blends your foundation perfectly. You get beautiful coverage. Amazing. You can do like nose contour. You can do eyeshadow with this. e.l.f. is so affordable and like blows it away. Just blows it away. The foundation primer, the Pore Putty, unreal. Tatcha dupe, unreal, affordable. This brush, unreal, affordable. e.l.f. kills it every single time. And thank you to them for sending that to me because they sent me their holiday kits and that's how I discovered that brush. Last thing, I'm wearing it, so we could just reapply so you can see. The Most Unreal Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss. I believe this is limited. It's been out for a while, but I believe it's limited. So go get you one. Go get it. Sephora, Charlotte Tilbury. I'll link it down below. If Sephora sold out, get it on Charlotte Tilbury. I just bought another one last week. I can show you. I have 3 of these. I don't ever want to run out of this. So this is called Pillow Talk Jewel Gloss. So it's in this like limited edition packaging. I don't know how to explain it, but like, I like how it makes my lips look. It makes them look juicy. It has glitter, but it's not like in your face glitter. It just gives you like a little pouty pout, like a little full lip. This goes over every color. Every skin tone can use this. It's gonna look different on everybody depending on the shade of your lips, the undertones you have, but everyone can wear this. That's what I love about it. I hate products that are not all-inclusive. Obviously, foundation and concealer shades are not one size fits all, but you need to choose a brand that has shades for everybody. That's my opinion. Support brands that are all-inclusive. Yeah, no matter what skin tone you are, you need this. Just add it in the center, just a little pop. I did the Fenty unbuttoned and uncuffed combo that I always do, and then a Charlotte Tilbury brown liner. It's called a Foxy Brown, I believe. This is incredible. Obsessed. Obsessed. You need this. Thank you so much. That is it for my spring favorites. I hope that you guys loved my haul. Leave me a comment down below if you've tried any of the products I mentioned or if you're planning on it. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe before you leave. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.